What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel, and again we're back with some more tech, some more reviews. As always, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications. You guys know we're officially on that race to 1,000k subs. Go down, subscribe, share, like, comment, bell, all that good stuff. We're gonna hit on some Tesla stuff today. Quick review of this microphone that I've been using for my studio setup, because there's no point in me doing a full video as far as review on this, because it's pretty straightforward. My Tesla update and just another piece of content that I'm thinking about bringing to the channel. So stop the video right now, subscribe, and let's get it. Hit that intro, baby. Let's get it. We are on the Tesla website again. We're gonna click on that Model 3 again, because like I said, I'm only clicking on that because that's the one I recommend getting, because the other prices are crazy. I don't see how anybody could get that, but hey, I ain't got pockets like that. So anyways, go to the Tesla website, click on order now, go to that Model 3. Remember, ignore this potential savings price, because that is not your price. That's just them estimating how much you could save, but that varies between every single person. So click on purchase price. Look at this. Boom, $39,990. Remember, on my previous video, link will be in the description. Last time we checked, which was, I don't even think it was a month ago, it was this month still, it was at $39,490. So they increased about $500 again. Remember, in my last video I said the reason Tesla keeps doing this is because the demand is super high for these cars right now. They're literally selling like crazy. They're probably not even able to push them out as fast as people are ordering them. So they're raising the price because they know people are buying these things like candy, like whatever. So they're going to keep raising the price so they can make a little bit more profit here and there. So like I said before, snatch you one of these up right now while you can, because I feel like the price is just going to keep going up and up and up. And I'm pretty sure by the end of June, this is going to be in the 40,000. So if you're going to get one now. The link for my referral code will be in the description. You can get 1,000 free supercharger miles if you use my referral code when you buy a Tesla. I'll get 1,000, you'll get 1,000, we all win. Boom, boom, boom. And this delivery date changes every day, so I wouldn't even pay attention to that. All right, you guys, as you can see, we're on my Tesla account that I ordered. Just a quick update again. They keep pushing this dang on freaking estimated delivery date back. This originally said May. I think it was like May 17th to like June 4th or something, but now it's pushed back a damn near another month. So whenever, just so you know, whenever you order your Tesla and it says that estimated delivery date, you see the range was between 4 and 12 weeks. That's a big gap. So they can push that back as far as they want, but this just tells you that the supply and demand is through the roof right now. They're probably having so many delays at the factory, and it's kind of ticking me off a little bit that this thing keeps getting pushed back more and more and more. I don't want to get into the month of June and then it's pushed back to July. That's very annoying. I'm ready to get it now. I got the money for it. I just want to get it now, but whatever. I got to be patient. All right, you guys, just a quick review on this Blue Yeti microphone. It's definitely not bad. It's way better than what I was using before. I definitely do hear the studio quality coming through when I'm listening to audio back. I don't know, and I can't say if it's the best microphone to use for your YouTube or for videos, but it's a good startup. It definitely cuts out a lot of that extra noise that you would normally hear just using your electronic devices microphone, like a phone or laptop, whatever it is. It cuts out a lot of that extra noise, and it's really good. You do have to tweak the settings a little bit. I have the pattern on the Blue Yeti microphone all the way at the bottom of the first setting. I have the volume all the way down, because this thing, if you have it up besides the lowest setting, it picks up so much noise. But I found out if I keep the volume all the way down, the pattern down, and the grain, I think on the first or second setting, it pretty much cancels out a lot of noise and you can get that quality you're looking for. So all in all, the last several videos I've done, actually I've used this microphone. So if you guys have watched those and you think the audio is good, it's because this. So if you like the sound of that audio, go out, you can go to Best Buy, Walmart, wherever, get a Blue Yeti microphone. As you can see what it looks like, so you'll know which one to buy. But I'll definitely give it a thumbs up. Another thing, I'm thinking about adding like another segment to, or another element to the channel. I know it's Gould's Gaming and Tech, but it's, primarily, stuff I'm interested in my life or whatever. But I want to do like a sit down talk with just people on certain topics, depending on what it is. But that'll be separate. I mean, obviously, you go to my channel, you check the playlist, you see Gould's Tech, that's a certain playlist. But I want to add another element. I'm not going to change the name of the channel, but I want to add another element. where maybe I'm doing sit-down interviews with like guys, girls, couples, you know, whatever it is. Just talking about stuff, life, finances, fitness, you know, stuff like that. So if that's something y'all would be interested in, let me know down in the comments. But you guys have been great. I'm gonna try to keep this video short. I don't want to waste you guys' time. As always, like I said, we're on that race to 1K subs. I know we can get there. You guys' support has been great so far. You know, I can't complain. So hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, hit the bell for notifications. Let everybody else know who you got friends who are interested in tech, gaming, whatever it is. Let them know about the channel so they can come check it out. I appreciate you guys. Race to 1K subs. We're making moves. And as always, I'll see y'all in the next video. Let's get it!